This month, the theme is Falling into Leaves. And so for those that don't know, I host a open collaboration for all YouTube creators on a monthly basis. And I have a new co-host every month. And I'm thrilled that my co-host for this month is the absolutely lovely, wonderful, awesome, amazing Lisa Birmingham. She is so sweet. She has a wonderful channel, exquisite taste in decor, and makes the most incredible DIYs, and sometimes on a budget. She is great. So you can imagine how thrilled I was when she agreed to co-host in Antonette's Vignettes for September. So we do just that every month. We make a vignette, we make DIYs to include in our vignette if we so desire. And so I will be showing you this month how I have styled 3 pre-made vignettes upstairs in my family room, already done. And then I will walk you through how I style another one here in my living room on my cabinet to my right. So let me take you along as I do that. But first, I have to say another thank you to Lisa again for co-hosting. Please visit Lisa's channel. I will have it linked in my description box. I will have the playlist linked so that you can watch everyone's creation in this month's Antonette's Vignettes. If you have participated, thank you so, so much. I so appreciate all of you. And if you are watching, thank you so much. We can't do this without our viewers. So you are so, so wonderful and so appreciated. So let me take you along and show you how I do my first vignette. So here's the cabinet or the Bombay chest where I will be walking you through my first vignette. So what I did here was I placed a sort of celery green placemat down, and on top of that, this really pretty green felt leaf placemat. Then this great long green colored vase. I have this cute green covered candy dish here on a little stem, and then I propped it up on this little glass ramekin, and the ramekin won't be showing because I will put some items in front of that. So here we have a little bit of drama, these beautiful black candle holders, one placed on a little stand and the other one just down so that they're at different heights. And I feel that the different heights really give the look some personality. So now I'm balancing out the other side of our vignette with this plate stand and this really lovely glass green plate. And because we don't want to see through that plate and see that plate stand there, I'll add a little something to that. So I've added another plate. I hope you can see here that the rim of this plate has all these fabulous leaves on it, sort of these raised leaves. And I think that looks very fall. Then I finish off the look here with this sparkly leaf-shaped ornament. It's actually a clip-on, so I clipped it right onto the plate. And then this cute little mint green pumpkin with a fabulous pumpkin leaf right on it. It's gold, as you can see there. And I think that leaf actually looks very, very nice with our candle holders here. And then our very final piece is this great checked pumpkin that I've chosen for two reasons. It's got black in it, which looks lovely with these two candle holders. And then of course, those really great green felt pumpkin leaves that look lovely with our green leaf felt placemat. And this is our vignette number 1, our final look. I hope you like that. Please let me know in the comments. And before I take you to the family room upstairs to show you the other 3 vignettes that are already styled, I wanted to say again the biggest thank you to Lisa Birmingham again for co-hosting with me. Clearly, I'm so thrilled and over the moon to have you as my co-host. Thank you, thank you. To everyone watching, thank you for watching. Please watch the playlist if you don't mind to see everyone's creation. And to everyone who has participated, thank you so much. You know I appreciate you truly from the bottom of my heart.